welcome to our health services presentation. My name is Jody Wagstaff, and we're excited to give you an overview of health services and let you know how we can help you to support you in school. We have quite a bit of services, and students really do find that it does help them be more successful in school. So this is just a snapshot of health services. When students register, there is a $19 health fee. So that health fee does cover quite a bit of services. We have medical care services through our nurse practitioner. We have registered nurses. We have a team of personal counselors to speak with. And all of our providers right now are available through a HIPAA compliant Zoom format. So all appointments are virtual. So we'll talk about all of our services as well as how to access support and contact us. So our medical care services are offered through our nurse practitioner, Colleen Vaneri. Colleen is very experienced and she has worked throughout our community in our community clinics. So she's seen and treated a variety of issues in diverse populations. She's available for the diagnosis and treatment of short-term conditions. She can help write prescriptions as well as order detailed lab testing. We do have a contract through Quest Diagnostics, so we would refer students to Quest for their blood work. And then when we get the results back, you would make a follow-up appointment to talk with Colleen about your lab work. We can also help with a patient medication assistance plan. This would help reduce the cost of medications. So we would submit an application that has to be signed by a doctor, or in this case, it would be signed by Colleen, our nurse practitioner. We would submit that application to help reduce the cost of the medications. Colleen can also help with OBGYN health issues, as well as prescribed birth control. She works on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, so she is available 3 days a week by appointment. And it's free and it's confidential to speak with Colleen. And she really does take the time to speak with our students. And I really encourage students to take advantage of that. And then we also have registered nurses. So in most cases, students can just call health services. We do answer the phone in real time. And a nurse will get back to you pretty quickly. And always that day. So we're very accessible. So I always say we are a really good place to start, even if you have health insurance, because it's free, it's confidential, and we're very accessible. We can help with the assessment of cold, flu symptoms, ear problems, skin problems, or just general health questions. So if you wake up in the morning and you're not feeling quite right, wondering, if you should see a doctor, give us a call. We would love to support you and address your health concern. We do a lot of TB screening. This does come into play for our service learning students or student workers who need TB clearance for employment or volunteering on campus. So we can help with that if you are asked to have TB clearance. And then we just have a wealth of health information and referrals. Again, it's free, it's confidential, and we really want to support you. And this is our medical team. So we have a medical team in Oceanside as well as San Elijo. Right now, we're kind of one big virtual location. But this is our medical team in Oceanside. Kim is our director here of health services. Colleen in purple is our nurse practitioner, and this is Judy, one of our nurses in Oceanside. And then Sonia is our admin assistant in Oceanside, and she's one of the people that you would speak to if you were to call health services. And then this is our medical team at San Elijo. I'm Jody, I'm right here on the left, I'm one of the nurses. And then Jenny is our admin assistant at the San Elijo campus. She's also somebody that you would speak to if you were to call health services. So that's the overview of our medical care services. And I will have our counselors take it away to give you an overview of our mental health counseling services.
Hi everyone, my name is Claudia and one of the mental health counselors at Miracosta. So I'm going to provide you with some information about our counseling services. We offer up to 6 weekly sessions per semester. So one session every 6 weeks with a duration of 15 minutes each one. And we offer individual relationship and family counseling. So only one person needs to be enrolled and pay the health fee in order to receive our services. And we have drop-in counseling sessions. So if you have a time-sensitive concern, it is most likely that one of our counselors is able to talk to you during that same day. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Samuel and I am a student at Miracosta College, and I am also one of the mental health peer educators at the Health Center.
My name is Alexandria and I'm one of the mental health peer educators in health services.
Seeing a therapist does not mean that you're crazy or that anything is wrong with you. We are all human and we all experience the full range of emotions.
I do understand and I do speak from personal experience when I say that I recognize that there are negative connotations around seeking help, going to counseling. We don't want to be seen as weak. We don't want to be seen as though we're incompetent. We don't want to be judged. And we don't want to be seen as though we can't take care of ourselves. And I honestly think that actually reaching out to somebody is one of the bravest things that you can do, to really look inside yourself and say, I need help.
We believe that mental health deserves recognition and acknowledgement in a similar way that we give to physical health. For example, if you saw someone with a broken leg, you wouldn't tell them to walk it off. They'll be fine. On the contrary, you would recommend that they care for the wound and perhaps seek professional help, maybe see a doctor, to ensure that they can recover properly. If you or perhaps anyone you know has ever experienced psychological distress or trauma, then you know how impactful and devastating these types of emotional wounds can be.
That's why we're here, to help you and to guide you and to educate you and to promote resources.
Right now, some of you might be thinking, oh, I don't need therapy. Things aren't that severe in my life. My problems aren't that significant. And I really believe that no one should wait for trauma or disaster to strike before they seek out help or guidance. Life can be complicated and life can be difficult at times. And having someone to talk to can help you find new ways to cope with the stress, maybe manage your time or navigate the relationships in your life.
That taking that initiative to reach out is one of the best things that you can do, not only for yourself, but for others around you.
Give mental health the attention that it deserves.
Hi, my name is Anju, and I am one of the mental health counselors. Perhaps the easiest way to refer a student to our services is to have them, suggest to them, or help them fill out our scheduling form, which is located on our website, www.miracosta.edu/health-services. So you can put their name, their student ID, their phone, and their email address. And if students aren't comfortable leaving their phone number, an email address will be just fine. And then check the box of how we can help you. Mental health counseling is one of the boxes that you can check. Submit the form, and then one of our staff will be reaching out.
Hi, Peer Educator Renee here to check in and give you my review of the awesome new Shine app. I just want to start off by saying I really like this app because it is super easy to download and easy to use. Once you get into the app, you can input your mood or your feeling at the time. And based upon what you input, it's going to ask you if you'd like to dig a little deeper. You will be asked a couple questions and you can either do some research, you can write about it, you can talk it out, or you can listen to some positive meditations. I really like this app because it helps me to focus and stay positive. You'll be asked at some point when you are inputting everything at the end to create an I can mantra. So for example, I can do this, or I can get through this. I really like that it helps me to focus and channel in on that positive energy. This app is also great because it helps you to start off your day with positivity. It gives you a little piece of meditation in the morning, and then helps you to wrap up your day with it as well, because there is a little bit of an evening meditation that helps you just to kind of wind down and relax for the day. So I'd say overall, I am really enjoying the Shine app, and I encourage you as my peers to go ahead and take a look at that as well. Thank you.
I personally love the meditation audios. I really didn't consider myself to be a person who listened to meditations a lot, but once I started this app and I just kind of recognized how much of an effect it had on my body, how, you know, I was able to just kind of relax and just kind of really be present to what's going on around me and what's in my head or my thoughts. And there's different types of topics that they have on the Shine app too. You don't have to be stressed out, you know, or have negative emotions. You can also celebrate the positive ones. If you're struggling with being productive, or if you need a little bit of confidence, they have resources and videos and advice on that. And so that's why I think it's really great.
Hi everyone, my name is Jaya. I am a counselor here at MiraCosta. Our availability and contact information is as follows. We are open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., Thursday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., Friday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Our last appointment starts at 3 p.m. You can reach us at 760-795-6675 or at mccshs@miracosta.edu, or on our website, where we have a fillable form for appointments. If you or someone you know is in crisis, please text the National Crisis Line or call the hotline. These numbers are available 24/7, and by texting COURAGE to 741741, you're indicating it's urgent and that you are a community college student. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation. Take care.